why you should drink lemon water every day. Hey there, fellow wellness enthusiasts. We all know staying hydrated is the key to unlocking a healthier lifestyle, right? But what if we told you there's a way to supercharge that daily hydration routine? Yep, it's by adding a splash of lemon. Now you might be wondering, why lemon water? What's so special about it? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep into the myriad benefits that come from sipping on this citrus-infused elixir. Not only does it elevate the taste of your regular H2O, but it also packs a punch with a host of health benefits that might just surprise you. From the radiant glow it can give to your skin to the way it can perk up your mood, lemon water is the refreshing twist you didn't know you needed. So stick around and let us uncover the top 5 secrets why making lemon water a part of your daily ritual can be a game changer for your well-being. Remember, it's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about optimizing your health in the most flavorful way. Cheers to a zestier, healthier you. Alright, let's kick things off with reason number 5, which is bound to appeal to everyone. Improved skin quality. Who doesn't want that natural, youthful glow, right? Now, when we think of skincare, lemons might not be the first thing that pops into our minds, but trust us, they should be on that list. First up, let's talk vitamin C. This powerhouse nutrient present in lemons isn't just there for immune boosts, it plays a crucial role in skin health too. When you sip on lemon water, you're essentially fueling your skin with vitamin C, which actively aids in reducing those pesky skin wrinkles. So think of it as a refreshing anti-aging drink, straight from nature's basket. But that's not all. We often hear about the importance of hydration for smooth skin. Well, there's science behind that. Proper hydration ensures your skin remains supple and less prone to dryness. By drinking lemon water, you're marrying the benefits of hydration with the added perks of lemon. It's a win-win. Lastly, let's not forget about those mighty antioxidants found in lemons. These heroes are on a mission to combat damage from free radicals, which, if left unchecked, can accelerate skin aging and cause uneven tones. So, the next time you're reaching for an expensive skin serum or lotion, remember there's a natural solution sitting right in your kitchen. Give lemon water a shot and your skin might just thank you by radiating a fresh, dewy glow. With that in mind, we're sure you're curious about the other reasons. Well, stick around because we're just getting started on this rejuvenating journey. Moving down in our list, coming in at number 4, we're exploring another fantastic benefit of lemon water: its role in aiding digestion. Now, while radiant skin is great, feeling good on the inside is just as crucial, and that's precisely where this delightful drink steps up to the plate. Digestive woes can be, well, a bit uncomfortable to talk about, but let's face it, many of us have experienced the unpleasantness of irregular bowel movements. Before you rush to the over-the-counter remedies, consider giving lemon water a shot. Not only is it a natural approach, but it can also work wonders in promoting regularity. The citric acid in lemons helps to encourage normal bowel functions, reducing the chances of constipation. Now, delving a bit deeper, did you know our liver plays a pivotal role in digestion? As it turns out, lemon water acts as a gentle nudge, stimulating the liver's production of bile. Bile, for those who might not know, is an essential component that aids in the digestion process, particularly in breaking down fats in our diet. With regular intake of lemon water, you're essentially giving your digestive system a gentle boost. The best part? It's a delicious way to promote gut health, and trust us, a happy gut often leads to a happier you. So the next time your tummy feels a tad off or you simply want to foster a consistent digestive rhythm, remember the citrusy magic of lemon water. With our countdown progressing, are you ready to unveil the top 3 reasons? Stay with us, the benefits just keep getting juicier. Continuing our countdown, we're diving into reason number 3, which holds a wealth of benefits for our overall health. Let's talk about the power-packed nutrient found in lemons, vitamin C. Yes, that same vitamin we often associate with oranges or those effervescent tablets during flu season. Now, what many of us might not fully realize is just how much vitamin C these yellow wonders contain. Lemons are nature's gift, brimming with this essential vitamin, and drinking lemon water is a flavorful way to get a daily dose. Why is this so important, you ask? Well, vitamin C plays a pivotal role in bolstering our immune system. In times where health is paramount, having a robust defense mechanism internally can make all the difference. But wait, the goodness of vitamin C doesn't stop there. For those of us who are mindful of our iron intake, whether you're on a plant-based diet or simply looking to maximize nutrient absorption, vitamin C should be your best friend. This powerhouse vitamin aids in enhancing the body's ability to absorb iron, ensuring that we get the most from our meals. And let's not forget our oral health. A radiant smile goes beyond just aesthetics. It's also about healthy gums. Regular intake of vitamin C promotes gum health, ensuring your smile remains as vibrant as your spirit. In essence, by adding a splash of lemon to your water, you're not just refreshing your palate, but you're fueling your body with a vital nutrient that champions numerous health facets. So with 2 or more compelling reasons to go, are you excited to discover the top benefits of this zesty drink? Keep sipping and stay tuned. Wait up, before we journey into our top 2 reasons, we've got a little bonus tip for you. Ever noticed how sometimes your lemon water might taste a bit too tart for your liking? Here's a pro tip. Add a pinch of raw honey or a fresh mint leaf to your drink. Not only does this balance out the sourness, but it also introduces additional health benefits, making your drink a triple treat of goodness. Now as for what's coming next, trust us, you won't want to miss out. We're diving into 2 of the most compelling reasons that put lemon water on the map of health elixirs. Curious about what they could be? All we say is they have the potential to significantly elevate your daily well-being. Stay with us because the zestiest revelations are yet to come. Alright, diving right back in, we're at our second spot. This one resonates with many of us because, let's admit it, sometimes plain water can be, well, plain. Coming in at number 2, we highlight how lemon water wonderfully promotes hydration. Now, we all understand the importance of staying hydrated. Every health guru, every doctor, every magazine emphasizes it. But why is it such a big deal? For starters, our bodies are made up of about 60% water, which means we rely on it to keep virtually every system in check. But here's the challenge. Not everyone finds the taste of plain water inviting. That's where the lemon comes into play. By adding a burst of zesty lemon flavor, we turn a mundane drink into a refreshing and palatable beverage. It's a simple tweak, but it might just be what you need to increase your daily water intake. Now let's zoom out a bit and look at the bigger picture. Proper hydration is like the unsung hero of our health. It plays a pivotal role in kidney function, ensuring these vital organs effectively filter out waste from our bodies. It aids in regulating our body temperature so we don't overheat on those scorching summer days. And for those of us who love being active, staying hydrated is key for joint lubrication, ensuring we can keep moving without a hitch. In a nutshell, while water is the essence of life, lemon water is the essence of enjoyable hydration. So the next time you reach for your water bottle, give it a citrusy twist. Trust us, your body will thank you. Oh, and just a teaser, our next reason, it's the number 1 spot and it might just surprise you. So buckle up because this revelation is sure to pique your curiosity. Alright folks, we've made it to the pinnacle, the number 1 most compelling reason to start your day with a glass of lemon water. Are you ready for it? Drumroll please. Lemon water beautifully boosts energy and mood. Now let's paint a picture. We've all had those mornings, groggy eyes, heavy limbs, and the allure of a caffeine kick beckoning us. But what if we told you there's a natural way to kickstart your day without the jitters of caffeine? Enter lemon water. By swapping out your regular morning coffee or tea for a glass of fresh lemon water, you're not just hydrating your body, you're embracing a drink that can give you a gentle energy nudge naturally. The best part, no caffeine crashes later in the day. But the magic of lemons doesn't stop there. Beyond its refreshing taste, there's something about the scent of a lemon that just uplifts our spirit. In fact, many aromatherapists vouch for lemon's mood-enhancing and stress-reducing properties. So that zesty aroma wafting from your glass isn't just teasing your senses, it's actively helping to elevate your mood. Imagine a drink that not only perks up your energy, but also soothes your mind. It's like starting the day on a high note, every day. So the next time you feel the morning blues creeping in, reach out for that lemony elixir. Give your body and mind the rejuvenation they deserve. And there we have it, folks. If you found value in today's video and are curious about diving deeper into healthy living, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Oh, and don't forget to click on those shiny links in the description for our recommended products related to today's enlightening topic. Do you guys want more enriching content tailored just for you? Well, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Plus, we've handpicked some videos for you to continue this journey. Check them out right after this. Remember, your health is in your hands. So cheers to making simple yet impactful choices.